Hi dear students, this is Vetri. Today we are going to see about binary tree. Under nonlinear data structure, we are having two data structures called trees and graph. Okay, under tree we are having many categories. We are having many types of trees. So the important one is binary tree. Actually, binary tree, which is nothing but it's an hierarchical data structure, and a node can have maximum two childs on each level. Okay, so that's the constraint for binary tree. Okay, so let me explain what is binary tree, which is nothing but binary tree is a data structure it is used to store hierarchical data in memory, and the condition or constraint is a node can have maximum, at most they can have two children. Okay, so that's it. Now see, so let us consider this tree. So this one has root node and these two are child leaf nodes. Okay, so let's see, here we are having a tree called binary tree. So why I am calling this tree as binary tree means, so it's having maximum two node as child. So this root node having two childs. Okay, so we can call this tree as binary tree. So come here. So what about this one? So this one also a binary tree. Why? So this node having two child, again the node 2 having one child, that's also okay. So a node can have one child also, no problem. So it's also a binary tree. Now what about this? Yes, this one also a binary tree. Now so what about this one? This one is not a binary tree. Why? Because it's having more than two children. Okay, so this one is a binary tree, and this one is a binary tree, and this one is a binary tree. So when this one will become non-binary tree means, see, so if it is having a node like this, so this one will become, it's not a binary tree, right? So I hope you understood the logic. So let me explain what are the different types we are having under binary tree. Okay, the first one is full binary tree. So full binary tree mainly follows the same concept which we have discussed about binary tree. Okay, so it can have one child, or it can have two childs, or else so this one also a full binary tree. Okay, so whether it can have zero child or one child, or it can have almost they can have two childs. Okay, so that is full binary tree. And the next one is complete binary tree. See, the complete binary tree it follows the principle which is the levels of child, right? The levels of child should be same. So it cannot lie on single or like this. Let's follow this one. So it's a complete binary tree. Okay, so in some case it's having a leaf like this means, so it's not a binary tree. Why? Because the leaf of the all the leaves, right? So it's not in same order. So definitely it has to fill all the leaves, right? So left supply is 1, but right supply is 0 now. So it's not equal. So I have to fill this one. So then only it will become a complete binary tree. So see, at this juncture it's not a complete binary tree. So because it's not balanced, here it's having one subtree but right subtree is 0, so it's not balanced. So if we had a child like this means, so it's a balanced tree. Okay, so we can call this one as complete binary tree. So the next one is skewed trees. So which is nothing but the insertion is we are going to insert the data on any one side, either on left side or right side. So let's see here. So I'm not going to insert on right side of 1. So I'm going to insert at left side of 2, left subtree of 2. So if it is going like this means, so it's called as left skewed tree. Then what about right skewed? Just contrast of this one. So in insertion is on right subtree means, so it's called as right skewed trees. Okay, so these are the important categories we are having under binary tree. Okay, so next categories are there. So we are going to see binary search tree and AVL tree in coming videos, right? Then what are the basic operations we have in binary tree is, the operations are insertion, deletion and search. Okay, so we are going to perform these operations by using binary search tree. So you will see about that in coming videos, right? I hope you understood the logic very well about binary tree, and thanks for watching. Keep support. If you have any comments or doubt or suggestions, you can comment in comment section. And once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.